Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So today I am doing part 2 of the master bedroom spring cleaning with me. So today I am going to tackle my desk area, get some more of my bedroom deep cleaned, and also the master bathroom. So let's go ahead and get on into it.
Tonight we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah, we can go so far away. Baby, let's go so far.
Now on all of my windows and mirrors, I am using a Norwex cloth. I love these for cleaning windows and mirrors. I also do use the e-cloth sometimes. I just tend to grab the Norwex ones more often. Both of them work fairly the same and I don't notice a big difference, but if you are looking for good glass cleaning or window cleaning cloths, Norwex is definitely one that I recommend, and you will see it used throughout this video.
Oh yeah. The speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far.
I am still going through all of my son's clothes, so this was another box of clothes that I had in my room to go ahead and set to the side to donate to friends.
So far, you and me. Till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free.
I am still absolutely loving my Dyson V10. Look at all of this dust and hair and stuff it picked up out of my room. I was so excited. I have not vacuumed my room in a minute, so it definitely did a great job. Now the next thing I'm going to use is this Hurricane Fur Wizard on my lampshades. This, if you have never seen it before, is amazing. I saw it probably about a year ago on Amy Darley's cleaning channel, and I decided I needed one, so I went out and got one. And this thing does so good at getting all of like the dog hair and lint and fuzzies, and it works really, really well on the lampshades. It's basically like this cloth, and you stick it in to the base of it. It's the same material on the inside, so it's really grippy, and then the bottom pops up, and this is all the lint and hair that I pulled off of the lamps. So yes, it does work. It works on dog hair. I use it on pillows, and it is amazing. The final thing that I needed to do in my bedroom was carpet clean. Now we don't have any stains on the floor, and I'd like to keep it that way, but I do know that we have our backyard right now is all dirt still, and there's probably a lot of dirt and grime in it. So in order to increase the longevity of my carpets, I do go ahead and try and carpet clean them. Some rooms get cleaned more often. Ours, this is the first time we've done it since we've moved in.
I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me. Cause I was made to be free.
Y'all, I don't even know if my room has ever been this clean. I knew that the entire room was free from dust. My carpets were clean and fresh. Everything just smelled like fresh and clean. So I was definitely excited about that. Shortly after this, my husband was going to bed, so I waited until he left for work and went ahead and moved on into the bathroom to go ahead and get some good cleaning done in there as well.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet. just to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright.
Now I do have this shelf on my back wall for like our toothpaste and Q-tips and cotton pads and all of that, and the bottom of them was looking pretty grimy from all of the dirt settling, mostly the ones like that had like our razors in it. You can definitely tell like from water collecting and dust being in the bottom. They were definitely pretty gross. I mean, you can see all along the edges here, so I did want to go ahead and unscrew those and give those a good cleaning, so that way I knew that those were fresh and clean as well.
Now because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
Now in the bathroom, I am going to just be using the Clorox wipes. Yes, I know I use a ton of them while cleaning the toilets, but the way that I clean with these Clorox wipes is I leave, like I want them pretty wet. Like I don't use them until they're like completely dry and they're not leaving like wetness anymore, because I feel like that does a much better job at like disinfecting, like if you actually leave the product on it for a little bit. So I did go ahead and wipe everything down, and her toilet really wasn't that bad. It's mostly just dusty. Everything in my house gets so dusty, and we have to definitely stay on top of it. Otherwise, I mean, it probably would look disgusting. So I did go ahead and wipe the entire base around, and you'll notice around the toilet on the floor that I do use the Clorox wipes because I was planning on mopping in here, and it's really hard to get the nook and crannies around the toilet. Now I do just use the Clorox toilet wands for inside, and I think they do a great job, and honestly I just leave it sitting in there. You do have to leave these, like the cleaning solution on these, sitting in the toilet bowl for at least 10 minutes in order to disinfect, so I always just leave it in there pretty much until the next person has to go to the bathroom.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies.
Now I am using the Lysol hydrogen peroxide. I showed you guys this in the last video, and I did not like it for the like cleaning furniture or anything, but I did want to go ahead and use it in the bathroom. And I have this super cool like scrubbing wand. It's made by Clorox. You can see it has like these little thingamajigs. I don't even know what they're called, but you can actually put a Clorox wipe on there in order to wipe things. And I wasn't worried about my glass because my husband and I clean it pretty much every day, but I did want to go ahead and just give the walls a nice scrub, and definitely the floor. I am so freaked out by shower floors for some reason, so I definitely oversprayed in that area and gave everything a good scrub because I do not want like buildup or anything like that.
The fire, we stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes.
Now I wanted to go ahead ahead and towel dry these, at least so everything was done and not left like half finished. So I did go ahead and just use a washcloth and kind of shoved the washcloth in there and dried everything and put things back in. We decided that we're going to put our toothpicks in because we do have like a toilet closet, and I hate leaving them out in like regular bathrooms because germs, I mean, need I say more? But since we do have a toilet closet that we always shut the door on, I thought it would be nice to actually be able to just grab our floss picks out and floss whenever we needed to instead of digging under the sinks.
I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light.
And like I said earlier, I wanted to mop. However, it was super late at this point. I think it was like 11:30 at night, and I did not want to risk waking my son up. He had had a rough night going to bed, and he didn't actually fall asleep until 9 o'clock. So I just got on my hands and knees and did some old-fashioned scrubbing with the cloth. But that is it. The bathroom was cleaned, and it matched my room, and I was so thrilled to be done because I was honestly exhausted by that point. But that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, letting me know that you are liking the content that I'm putting out. And if you are new, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.